All right, here we go, kids. More acid-base stuff. Now we're going to talk about the reactions that acids and bases do. Now, there is a general form of how acids and bases kind of work. And here, the general form of an acid-base reaction is this. You have your acid, reacts with your base to make water and some type of salt. Now, don't just think salt as in, oh, it's table salt. No, it's not the case. Remember, salt's a broad term. All right, so here's your general form. So how do we identify an acid? Remember, acid has a H plus in our case, and base is going to have an OH minus. Okay, for most of the time, in our purposes, that'll work. So what are the products? Well, the products are going to be the water and the salt. And what are reactants? Well, the reactants are going to be the acid and the base. All right, so this is where when we talked about reactions and how to finish reactions before, this is how you do this stuff. Okay, so it's kind of, again, a little bit of review, so you might have to take some time for it to click back into your brain. So they're double replacement reactions. So if you want to look up something up, look up double replacement reactions. So here it goes. So let's talk about some examples. NaOH plus HCl. Well, which one's my acid? Which one's my base? First of all, well, this is my base because of OH. This one's my acid because of H first. So now in a double replacement reaction, the two first ones in the chemical formulas switch spots, or they switch partners. All right. So now the H goes with the OH, and the Na now goes with the Cl. Simple as that. All right. And remember, when you make new formulas, you do have to drop and swap. So you have to know their charges. And these are the right charges because H plus, OH minus. This is a +1, +2. All right. And you got to balance it out as well, and it's already balanced. So here's my water, HOH, is just H2O, just written a different way. And here's my salt, NaCl. All right. So acid plus a base make water and salt. All right. So now, thinking on a different level, we know acid and a base make water and salt. So now let's think of it like this. So this has got to be my acid because of H in front. Don't know what my base is, but I do know one of the reactants is LiF. All right, so thinking backwards, I know that my base has to have an OH. All right, for our purposes it does. All right, so that means there's going to be a OH here, right, from this, and then the Li must have switched partners because it's now with the F, so therefore the Li should go here, and the H goes here. So it's a little bit of backwards thinking, all right? But it's a different level of thinking, and I think you guys can do that stuff. So notice, now we have LiOH, the Li switched parts with the H, which is what we got, and now we have water and some type of salt. Done. Neutralization reaction. All right. Now, thinking on a different level, if I had this acid and this base, what are the products that get formed? So think, well, the two front, you have to switch spots. In other words, the two first ones have to switch spots. So that means I'm going to get HOH for one, the H going with the OH, and now the K will go with the Cl. So, HOH, here's my water. Acid plus a base make water and some type of salt. Try the next one. Here's my base because the OH. Here's my acid because it's an H. The two first ones switch spots, so the Na and the H switch spots. So the Na now goes with the Br, and the H goes with the OH. Salt and water reacts to make from an acid and a base. There you go. There's your quick review. We'll talk in more detail, but that should help you get started, I hope. Remember, check the readings if you need some further examples or you get kind of stuck on this stuff. All right, so hope that helped. Take care.